Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn about high watermark. High watermark is a principle used in investment management, especially in hedge funds or private equity to ensure that fund managers are only rewarded for generating positive returns above the highest value the fund has previously reached. In simpler terms, a high watermark ensures that fund managers do not get paid for gains that only recover previous losses. They are only rewarded for generating profits beyond the highest point the fund has reached. Why high watermark matters? First of all, it prevents double charging. That is, fund managers do not get paid twice for the same profit. Secondly, it encourages real performance. That is, managers have to recover losses before earning bonuses. Third, protects investors, that is, fees are only charged when fund grows beyond past highs. Now, let's understand this with the help of a graph. In this graph, we can see that the beginning of the year AUM of our investment is 50 million. In year 1, the value of our investment became 100 million. Since this value is more than our initial investment, the GP will get its performance fees and this will become a high watermark. In year 2, the value of investment became 85 million. Although this value is greater than our initial investment, but since it is not crossing the previous threshold of 100 million, it will not become the high watermark and GP will not receive any performance fees. In year 3, again, the value of investment is greater than our initial investment. There is a profit, but still it is not crossing our previous threshold of 100 million. Therefore, GP will not get any performance fees and our high water mark will remain same as 100 million. In year 4, our high water mark became 111 million because it is crossing the previous threshold of 100 million and GP will get its performance fees. Similarly, in year 5, the value of our investments has again increased to 130 million. Since it is greater than our previous threshold, the GP will get its performance fees and this will become our new high watermark. I hope this made high watermark concept more clear. In next video, we will learn about high watermark calculation with the help of Excel. Thank you and stay tuned for more.